I quote, I had awakened at 3 a.m. as usual, and I was sitting up in my bed reading verses I knew by heart. Even as I took in the words, my heart was saying its litany, O Jesus, Son of Maryam, heal me. Look, you are alive in heaven, and it says in the Holy Quran about you that you have healed people. You can heal me, and yet I am still a cripple. I said his name again and pleaded my case in despair. Still, there was no answer. Then I cried out in a fever of pain, if you are able to heal me, otherwise tell me. I could go no further along this road. What happened next is something that I find hard to put into words. I know that the whole room filled with light. At first, I thought it was from my reading lamp beside the bed. Then I saw that its light looked dim. Perhaps it was the dawn, but it was too early for that. The light was growing in brightness until it surpassed the day. I covered myself with my shawl. I was so frightened. I came out from my shawl to look, but the doors and windows were fast shut, with curtains and shutters drawn. I then became aware of figures in long robes standing in the midst of the light, some feet from my bed. There were 12 figures in a row, and the figure in the middle, the 13th, was larger and brighter than the others.